Did you know that even if your car is repaired back to perfect condition after an accident, it's still worth less? That's because every accident gets recorded on your CarFax. And once that record is there, buyers and dealerships will pay you less for your car, sometimes thousands of dollars less. This loss in value is called diminished value. Here's the good news. You may be able to recover that lost value. It's your right to file a diminished value claim against the at-fault driver's insurance company. But insurance companies rarely make this easy, and that's where we come in. At TRUEclaims, we connect you directly with an experienced attorney who will fight for your diminished value claim. No upfront costs. Attorneys work on contingency, meaning they only get paid if they win your case. And we never charge you a fee to connect with the right attorney. TRUEclaims makes the process simple, fast, and risk-free. You could recover the money you're due that most car owners never realize they're missing out on. If your car's been in an accident, don't settle for less. Claim your diminished value today with TRUEclaims.